What if you have a color and then you just want to explore more lighter or a darker shade or a variation to enhance the depth, feel, and the balance in your designs? Canva has a beautiful app called Palette and Tints that can do just that for you. With this, you can create harmonious color palettes and tints from just one base color. Let's see a demo of how that works here. And these are the palettes I had created. Now I'm going to create a new one. Let's see how this works. So once you add the tab from the Canva app marketplace, it's a free one by the way, you could just choose a base color, and I have chosen this particular light red. You can choose any color you want, and you can just see that the palette is already created. You can shuffle the colors to see different variations as well. Let's try with a different one. Let's pick up this pink. You see, it's already changed here. You can create beautiful palettes. You could add this to design, and then this neatly adds squares of these palettes. Now, how about the tints? Similar fashion, you can choose your color and bring in the tints and shades of that particular color, and this could also add it for you.